Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Lenovo IdeaPad Duet Chromebook. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Lenovo. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can choose Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by selecting OK. I need to rotate my tablet real quick and then select Receive at the bottom of it. Now choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Oppo and finally tap on all of those type of dots. When you're ready, select Send. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, tap on one and choose Send then. Now click on Got It in the pop-up and from here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing Allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!